Hello everyone, how's it going? This is your man DJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video I'll be doing the very quick unboxing of the Sandisk Class 10 micro SD card. So I bought this from flipkart.com for 399 rupees, and as you can see, this is a priority package. So let me just quickly go ahead and peel off the packet. Sorry guys for the background noises in the area that I live in. So this is the bill. Apart from it guys, as you can see, let me just quickly cut it out. So it is wrapped in a bubble packaging like this. So guys, this is the micro SD card, the 32 gigabytes. So guys, the benefit about this card is that it comes with this adapter. You can use this micro SD card in cameras with the help of this adapter, and you can also use this adapter in laptop for file transfers as well. So as you can see, it is 32 gigabytes in size, and it is way faster than class 4 micro SD cards. Class 10 micro SD cards gives you faster readout and write speeds, which is beneficial when you're recording high bitrate videos in your camera. So basically guys, I bought this for my GoPro Hero 7 White, and the videos for my GoPro Hero 7 White will also be coming very soon on the channel. So guys, you can use the Sandisk Memory Zone app for managing your photos and videos. And at the back guys, as you can see, this is waterproof, temperature proof, shock proof, and x-ray proof as well. So let me just quickly take it out of the box, and we will have to cut it from here. So let me just quickly cut it like this. And now you have to open it up. Let me just quickly take it out. So guys, this is the micro SD card right here. So again, this is covered from the back with a plastic lid. So guys, this is the micro SD card. As you can see, 32 gigabytes, and you have the adapter that I have talked about earlier. So guys, thanks a lot guys for watching this video, and this was a quick unboxing kind of for this micro SD card. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll be catching you in the next one guys. Till then, take care.